If you are looking for a summer job where you get to spend time in the great outdoors, this morning's Workers Wanted should be right up your alley. The Michigan Department of Natural Resources is looking to hire more than 1,200 people to help maintain the state's parks and recreation areas. Now, these are great jobs for college students looking to earn extra money, seniors or retirees looking to either re-enter the workforce or just stay active during the warmer months. Seasonal employees are paid a minimum of $8.90 an hour for up to 1,040 hours over the course of the season. Full and part-time opportunities are available. Now, the job responsibilities could include anything from handling permit sales, campsite registrations, trail maintenance, landscaping, even janitorial duties. To qualify, you need to be at least 18 years of age or older, willing to work nights and weekends. And for more information, including a link to where you can actually download the application, go to WXYZ.com/workerswanted, and good luck.